Today my video is about how to install WhatsApp on your desktop PC and how to link it to your mobile WhatsApp. So it's very easy. So what you have to do, just go to Microsoft Store on your PC. So here's my icon for Microsoft Store. I will click here and I will search WhatsApp. So you can see WhatsApp app is here, and now on your right side you will see install button on that screen. Now click on install button, and that install button will, after installation, it will be changed to open button. See guys, so has open button. So now what you have to do, we have to click on open button, and as you will click on button, that welcome screen will be opened. Now what you have to do, you have to click on get started button, and you will see a barcode. Now what you have to do, you have to go to your phone where your WhatsApp is already installed. Now you will have to open that WhatsApp, and on the right corner of that screen you will see that there are three dot buttons. You have to click on that button, and the third option is linked devices. You have to click link devices, and now it says link a device. You have to click that button. As you will click on the link on device, it will start a scanner, and see this, it's logging in. See guys, it says Windows active and the link is created, and on desktop you can see it's showing chat. So your mobile phone is connected to your desktop. So if you don't see a three dot button on your WhatsApp, you go to your settings and you will find your link the device button on your phone. Thanks guys. If you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.